the fun starts. This is what it should look like. You will have 3 slip stitches loosely, and you still have all your spider's threads still running for the other spiders. So now we're going to make the spider. So I put my yarn over the needle, bring it through, and I am going to knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm still going to do the purl 1 for our spider further up. And now, do you remember that purl that was in the middle here? We're going to knit right up to that one. So basically, we're going to knit 2, as the pattern says, and in these 5 stitches is where the spider stitch is. So we are going to knit 2. So you can see we're right at that purl in the middle. We're then going to bring our needle down and pick up those 3 loops. So I'll show you that again. We're going to come down, pick up those 3 loops, and we are now going to knit the purl. That was a purl. We're going to knit that, take it off the needle. Now we're going to bring the needle back down and up and continue to knit 2 stitches. And that is how we do our spider. It's all within those 5 stitches. So now we can continue with a knit 2, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, knit 2, and now we are at our 5 stitches of the spider. So we are going to knit to the purl bump, which is in the middle. So we're going to knit the first 2. We are going to come down, pick up those stitches. See, we've just, because they're just loose on the top, right? So we're just coming down, picking them up, knitting what was our purl, coming back down, and then knit 2 stitches. And there's our spider there. And we're just going to knit to the end of the round.